You have reached your destination.
Yep. Okay, so today's gear shift knob day. It's one of the things I forgot to do. Got the steering wheel on, everything else ready to go. I just don't have a god dang it, a gear shift knob. There. Okay, so those two wires that are coming out is a hookup for my overdrive. I've got an MGB electrically operated overdrive I got from Dick when I bought the engine and transmission from him. And all I need to do is put those two wires together and I have actuated my overdrive in third or fourth gear, right? I have a little bit of sewing on the leather boot thing and some cleaning to do, but that's just dust. I've also got a box of knobs that my good friend sent me from Kingston, Massachusetts, and as well as this one. This is the one I'm going to use because it's a little bit longer in depth here, and it came with that on top of it. Nerdy. Okay, so the bolt I've got on that god dang it, the gear shift knob, not knob, but the actual rod itself is 3/8. I believe it's 3/8. 3/8 16, and same as this here. So I had taken that there and 3 nuts, welded the nuts together, and I was going to gently force them into the back end of this thing and insert some JB weld and call it a day, right? I don't know how the hell I did it, but now this thing doesn't want to come off or go back onto that piece there. I've chased it with some thread restorers and such, but what I don't want to do is put this homunculus into there and then not having it screw on nicely. So I had a couple of spares, and it's all well and good. So my first step is to drill out that piece of plastic in the inside there. I want as much depth in there as I can get for a specific knob that I've seen, a specific, god dang it, what do you call it, on-off switch on Amazon that I bought and I can't find. Figures. So I'll have to reorder it, put it in there, and call it a day. Perfect. So far, so good. Good. That sucker's going nowhere. And it's smooth too. Oh yeah. Way to go, Groob. And all the way through, good threads. Oh yeah. Whoops. All right, I don't know if you can see that too well. That's how it looks on the inside. I got most of the plastic out of there, but I couldn't get all of it. Oh well. But let's give this thing a shot. about as far down as I want it to go. So, why don't you want to go in gear, damn it? There. Anyhow, so something I'm looking for is clearance up here. That definitely clears the definitely clears it up here. And I've got plenty of space on those threads, so it'll be steady. So what I am going to do, I'll put that bolt back. Whoops! I'm going to put that bolt back in, so it is just level with the top of that nut, or a little bit below, perhaps, and then pour some JB Weld into it as a cap, and that'll be as far down as I want to go when I screw it down, right? My thought is to drill a hole roughly about right here where my thumb is, for wires to go in, and then a nice even trench, for lack of a better term, in the wood where I can route that wires to hook up to the switch. Haven't figured that out yet. And there's the JB Weld setting in there now. I've got a light there. I've got from the top of that little cap there to the lip. Okay. It's about an inch. Another, what, 1/16 or so to the top of the actual, the actual top of this. So we'll see how that works out. I now need to go to Amazon to reorder what I wanted to get. I did find this. Nice little light on there, and it's either on or off, or on or off, or how does that work? But this came off a coffee maker, and I don't want to have a car that looks like any more cheap than it already does. So yeah, no coffee maker knob for me. Thank you very much.